Today's tip deals with the first minute of your presentation. I know that can be nerve-wracking, but I promise you there are ways around those nerves. First thing to remember is that while appearance is not everything, looking your best is very important. So when you first come into the room, people will take you in, make sure you look your best. If you have a jacket, do it the way you like it, do it up. Don't have your hands in your pocket. Later on you can do it, but not when you first enter the room. People will take you in, you want them to like you. Second, slow it down. As you walk up to the podium, take your time. Check your podium, is that the right height for you? Your mic, if it's not right, fix it. If you can't fix it, ask someone to fix it. Look around the room, find some friendly faces over there, over there, over there. This will help you later. You can speak to them. You can establish eye contact, which is also very important. After you got comfortable in your physical space, take a deep breath and then start. Start with something very simple. Please, no jokes. Could be your name. Hi, I'm Agota Gabor and it's nice to be here. Or if someone introduced you, thank them, then turn and say, it's nice to be here. Something very simple that you can't possibly forget. And don't forget to breathe. I'll be back soon with more tips to help you succeed. For more information or to get my handbook, click on the link.